If your voice mode not working on Discord or not opening the voice mode, this tutorial review will show you how you can fix voice mode problem. So the first solution is restart your computer. Once you restarted your computer, now try to relaunch your voice mode and hope this will open now. The second solution is set up your microphone properly. To do that, click on the search icon and search for sound settings and open sound settings. Here, click on this input device drop down menu, and here you have to select voice mode virtual audio device. Now open your voice mode and click on settings. Here, select the microphone you are using and then check the problem is fixed or not. And the third solution is check settings of the program that you want to use voice mode on. For example, you want to use voice mode on Discord, then go to your Discord user settings and here click on voice and video. Click on input device and here select voice mode virtual audio device and then check the problem is fixed or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall your voice mode and reinstall it. So follow the solutions to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.